guys, welcome back to another month. This month is cactus themed. Just a disclaimer by the way, the video will appear blurry in some parts and good quality in other parts, but that's just because I'm experimenting with my camera settings, so bear with me guys. Before we get on with the video, I learned some interesting facts about cactus, so I'm gonna share some of the ones I found interesting for me personally with you. For the first fact, did you know that cactus can live up to 300 years? That's a lot. And for the second fact, the largest cacti is with the height of 22 meters. So just to give you a good comparison of how tall it is, it's about 1.5 times as tall as the Hollywood sign. So, if that isn't interesting to you, I don't know what is. Anyway, let's get on with the video now. First of all, as usual, I started with the monthly spread. I'm using the same layout every month because that's usually what works for me. So yeah, on the left page I drew April's calendar and divided the right page into 2 columns. One is for my social dues and the other is for my personal dues. Next up, my tracker spread. I decided to change layout and use boxes for every habit I want to track. This is an easier way for me to fill in the small boxes and keep track of everything. On the right page, I have all my other trackers: mood, water, savings, workout, and my socials. So, I wanted to add a new and fun spread in my journal, and I had this idea. Usually people use this one in the yearly setup where each Polaroid is pasted on a month, but I prefer more memories in my journal, so I decided to make it each week. That way, by the end of this year, I'll have a lot of memories to remember. I added a new idea also on the right page, titled Books to Read. I have a lot of books to read, and I mean a lot. So I decided to put this in so that I can be more motivated to fill in the pages. The pages that I've read. Oh, and by the way, guys, every line equals 20 pages. Anyway, let's see if these 2 pages work for me for this month. Onto the last pages, I designed the brain dump page on the left and the weekly spread on the right. This month, I drew every day's to-do list column horizontally and divided the rectangles into 3 sections. That way, I can categorize my to-do list. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, even though the quality got annoying in some places. As you can see, I did some changes in this month's setup just to see what works for me and what doesn't. After all, bullet journaling is purely experimental. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!